Nice car. It's time for Stephen Wade Auto Group. Want to stretch your purchasing power? Well, take a look at this great-looking 2008 Mini Cooper. Consumer Guide recommended sporty performance car. One of the best things about this car is something you can't see, but you'll be thankful for it every time you pull up to the pump. Fuel efficiency is where it's at now, and this Mini's got it.